Let's explore the video library. The main area where you discover, manage, and control the videos that power your player. The library opens in My Videos, showing only your content. You can switch to All to see both your videos and recommended ones, or to Recommended to browse public videos from a variety of creators. For more precise browsing, open the Filter panel. Entering keywords instantly narrows the results to help you find exactly what you need. You can expand or collapse any category using View All and Show Less. As you browse, hovering over any video reveals its title, duration, and quick actions. You can export the tag for use elsewhere or edit the video if it's one you own. And when you need a more detailed workspace, switch to List View. Once everything is set, click Create and your playlist is ready to use. That's your full video library workflow.